possibly even disagree. However, several AI-driven apps already do exactly that: Day 2 and Stitch Fix. Most don't answer the why question, and there is no disagree button. There is, however, an uninstall button. This is the subtle power of AI. Many people have accepted the lack of human reasoning and started trusting AI where they might not trust their friends. This can be a good thing, or something to change. Let me explain why is it important to consider questioning and disagreeing with AI-generated directions, whether it be clothes, words, or something else. Before diving further into this explanation, remember that technology itself has been around for a while now, and most have grown used to it. It would be unthinkable to ride a horse to work instead of driving, or to send a messenger pigeon instead of an email. That is progress, and progress can be good. Progress allows people to use something new, and they accept that new thing as a part of their lives. AI technology could be different, and accepting AI as it is may not always be a great idea. Welcome to the fascinating journey through the dawn of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known. Imagine a world where machines can think and learn like humans. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But this isn't the distant future. This is now. Today, AI is a prevalent part of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even realize. It's in our smartphones, our cars, our homes, and even our workplaces. AI has come a long way since its inception. It began as simple rule-based systems where the machine would follow a set of predefined rules to perform a task. However, this approach had its limitations, as the machine could only do what it was explicitly programmed to do. It lacked the ability to learn and adapt. Then came the era of machine learning, a subset of AI that gave machines the ability to learn from data and improve over time. This was a game changer. Suddenly, machines could do much more than just follow rules. They could learn, adapt, and even predict. With this evolution, the way we interact with AI has also changed. We're no longer just giving commands, we're having conversations, we're asking questions. But not all questions are created equal. Some questions can be easily answered by AI, while others require a deeper understanding of context, emotion, and even human culture. This is where the concept of intelligent questioning comes into play. Asking intelligent questions of AI is about more than just getting the right answer. It's about understanding the capabilities and limitations of AI, and using that understanding to ask questions that AI can answer effectively and accurately. As we immerse ourselves more into the world of AI, the need to ask intelligent questions becomes even more crucial, because the better our questions, the better the AI's response, and the closer we get to a future where AI truly understands us. So let's dive in and discover how we can interact more effectively with the AI in our lives. Opening. Remember the last time you asked Siri about the weather? Did Siri understand your question, or was it simply a well-executed programming trick? Now, let's delve into the magic behind Siri's seemingly intuitive understanding. It's all about natural language processing, or NLP, a branch of artificial intelligence that helps machines understand and interpret human language. Imagine Siri as a linguist, quickly deciphering the structure of your sentences, identifying the key words, and predicting what you're likely to say next. This process begins with tokenization, where Siri breaks down your sentence into smaller parts, or tokens. Siri then analyzes these tokens, understanding their context and meaning within the sentence. But it's not just about understanding words and sentences. Siri also needs to decipher the nuances of human language, such as sarcasm, humor, and cultural references. This is where things get tricky. Despite the advances in NLP, we're still a long way from machines fully understanding the complexities of human language. So how can we bridge this gap? Well, it's simple. We need to ask clear, concise questions. Remember, Siri is not a mind reader. It relies on the information you provide. If you're vague or ambiguous, Siri might not understand your request. For instance, if you ask Siri, "What's the weather like?" Siri might respond with the current weather conditions. But if you ask, "Siri, will I need an umbrella today?" Siri now has a specific context and can provide a more tailored response. This highlights the importance of asking intelligent questions. The better your question, the better Siri's response will be. It's not about tricking the system or finding loopholes, it's about effective communication with AI. Asking the right questions also aids in machine learning. Each interaction with Siri provides more data, helping it to learn, adapt, and improve its understanding of human language. Closing. As Siri demonstrates, the quality of our interaction with AI largely depends on the quality of our questions. So next time you're talking to Siri, remember it's not just a conversation, it's an opportunity to shape the future of AI. Recall when IBM's Watson won Jeopardy against human champions. But could it have answered complex questions without being specifically trained for them? Let's dive into that. Back in 2011, a computer system named Watson, developed by IBM, competed on Jeopardy, a popular American game show. Its opponents? Two of the show's greatest champions, Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter. Watson was not just playing for fun, it was a demonstration of a significant step forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Watson was designed to understand and respond to complex questions, a task that had been a challenge for AI systems until then. It was not just about processing the data, it was about understanding the question, searching its memory for relevant information, and then generating a coherent, accurate answer. This was a far cry from the basic yes or no responses that characterized earlier AI systems. Watson's victory was not just a triumph of technology, it was a triumph of training and design. Watson had been meticulously trained on a wide range of topics, including literature, history, and science. It was taught not just to recognize keywords, but to understand context, and even interpret language quirks like puns and idioms that are typically challenging for AI. But here's the crux of the matter. Watson's victory underscores the importance of question design in AI systems. The questions on Jeopardy are complex, requiring not just fact recall, but an understanding of nuances in language. Watson was specifically trained for this. But what about questions that Watson was not trained for? Could it have answered them? This brings us to a crucial point. For AI to truly be intelligent, it must be able to handle unexpected questions it hasn't been specifically trained for. This is the next frontier in AI development, and it's a frontier that is being pushed every day. Watson's triumph underscores the need to ask intelligent questions of AI. And as we continue to advance in the field of artificial intelligence, we need to keep asking those intelligent questions to push the boundaries of what AI can do. When DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated the world champion of Go, it was a landmark moment. But could it have won without being asked the right questions during its training? Let's dive into that. AlphaGo, developed by Google's DeepMind, took on the ancient game of Go. This game, with its endless possibilities and intricate strategies, has always been a considerable challenge for artificial intelligence. But AlphaGo, with its cutting-edge technology, was up for the task. To understand how AlphaGo clinched victory, we must understand how it was trained. This AI, like a curious student, was fed a diet of knowledge through a method known as reinforcement learning. This technique is not about spoon-feeding answers, but about asking the right questions, guiding the AI to find the answers itself. In AlphaGo's case, it was asked to predict its opponent's moves, and then it was asked, what is the best move? Over and over, these questions were posed, and each time, AlphaGo had to find the answers. This constant cycle of question and response allowed AlphaGo to understand the game's intricacies, refine its strategies, and hone its skills. However, the questions were not static. As AlphaGo improved, the questions became more complex, more nuanced. This adaptive questioning, this intelligent prodding, allowed AlphaGo to surpass its human tutor's knowledge and reach a level of play previously thought impossible for an AI. But it's important to remember that it wasn't just about AlphaGo finding the answers, it was about the way it was asked. The right questions, asked at the right time, in the right way, played a pivotal role in AlphaGo's epic journey from novice to champion. In essence, AlphaGo's training was an intricate dance between question and answer, where each step forward was driven by a well-crafted query. It's a testament to the power of asking the right questions and a testament to the potential of artificial intelligence when guided correctly. AlphaGo's victory paints a clear picture of how asking the right questions can lead to groundbreaking results in AI. As AI continues to evolve, how will our approach to questioning it change? As we peer into the future, it's evident that we're on a trajectory towards even more advanced artificial intelligence. These future AI systems will not only respond to our commands, but will also have the ability to understand the nuances of our questions, providing answers that are more accurate, insightful, and contextually relevant. But as we move forward, it's important to recognize that the onus is not solely on AI to improve its understanding. We, as humans, need to adapt our own approach to communication. The future of AI is not just about smarter machines, but also about more intelligent questioning from us. Why, you might ask? Well, consider this. When we ask better questions, we get better answers. A vague question to a human might get a vague response, but to an AI, it could result in confusion or even an incorrect answer. The key is to frame our questions in a way that AI can comprehend and process effectively. In the future, we'll see the development of better methods for communicating with AI. These methods will take into account the inherent limitations of AI, while also leveraging its strengths. They will guide us in asking precise, concise, and clear questions that AI can understand. We'll learn the art of intelligent questioning, how to ask, what to ask, and when to ask. Moreover, we'll begin to view AI not just as a tool for executing tasks, but as a collaborator in problem-solving and decision-making. We'll understand that the quality of the output from an AI system is directly linked to the quality of our input, and that's where intelligent questioning comes into play. As we venture further into this brave new world of AI, it's clear that the key to unlocking its full potential lies in our ability to ask the right questions. So next time you interact with AI, remember, it's not just about what you ask, but how you ask it.